Hi, my name is Jericho Ibanez, an inborn psychic from the Philippines. I'm here to offer you as a professional psychic advisor. I could be your mentor or maybe your coach to empower you and bring enlightenment to your current life situation. Being a psychic, I consider this as a gift that makes me interested to explore the power of the mind and my passion for spiritual growth and development. I apply these unique talents to my skills for my coaching and mentoring session. Yes, I am a natural alternative holistic therapist, the healer of the soul, mind, body, and spirit. I will be your guide to travel along the way with your path, to discover new things and to uncover the potential power of your inner soul. My mission is to provide an alternative holistic therapy, body, mind, soul. This kind of healing modality is not a medical therapeutic approach, but a very well natural and spiritual manner, an alternative way to help and guide a person who's under stress and exhausted life, like in relationships, love partners, family, marriage, addiction, obsessions, anxiety and depressions, challenges in career growth and development, body pains, and other deeper psychophysiological problems. You and I will commit to be stress-free and to have a clear straight path towards success and healthy life. My skills are precognition, remote viewing, astral projection, clairvoyance, auto-suggestion for writing, feng shui, akashic reading, ESP, retrognition, past life regression, psychometry, channeling, energy healing, Reiki healing, hypnosis, paranormal or occult investigation, and Reiki physiotherapy. The divinatory tools that I could offer to you are tarot card reading, angels oracle card, Celtic tree card, runes card, intuition psych ink black card, ESP card, dowsing rod, dowsing crystal pendulum. To sum up, my proficiency are card readings, channeling, past life regression, and precognition. Once again, I am here willing to reach out to you with unconditional love to serve you and experience my holistic way of new healing modalities. Thank you and hoping to hear you soon. Sending love, light, and peace. Dr. Jericho Ibanez.